Hello, my lovelies. Guys, how are you doing today? How is your day going? A man just left my office now, and with the way he was talking, I knew that there was something troubling him. But then, when I went through the file he applied for, I just concluded that this must be a very greedy person. I know somebody will be surprised why I called him a greedy person. But to me, I think that's the best name to call him. Sorry to say that, but I think that is what the name that befits him. Now I went through the file because he applied that he wants to go to appeal. So I just took my time to go through the file. What happened in this file is that their mother, that's the guy's mother, had a son with another man who didn't acknowledge the pregnancy before the mother married his own father. So after the marriage, the man had two other sons, him being the first for the man, but second son for the woman. So after some years, the marriage didn't work out again. There was divorce. They separated. The father divorced the mother. And then when the woman was leaving, I asked her to go with the only son she came with. That's the first son of the woman. So the woman left with that boy, leaving the other two sons behind. Now, along the line, the woman started life afresh. And then she was able to do something for herself. She was established, you know. And then she bought a lot of properties here in Port Harcourt. Now, before she passed on, she shared her properties, her undeveloped properties, amongst these three boys. Remember, the first son wasn't for the husband, but the two others were for the husband, the ex-husband. Now, she shared these properties amongst the three boys, who are now men. Now, while she was even alive, this second son, started making trouble that the first son does not have any right to inherit or to take anything belonging to their mother. Now, it continued before their mother passed. Now, that second son, came to court, claiming that since the first son is not for the father, is not the father's son, that he has no right to take any property from the mother, to inherit anything belonging to their mother. Imagine the mentality. So, but the matter went on until the final judgment, and the court said no, the property in question is not tied to the marriage. This property was acquired by your mother, his own mother too, and then the woman in question shared the property before she passed on. So you have no right to deny the first son property. And so he lost the matter. Now he still want to go to appeal the judgment, which he lost. Which person, I mean, which judge will say, don't allow your brother to inherit or to take what your mother gave to him even while she was alive? I don't think any judge will even do that. I don't think. No judge will do that. He is not talking about the father's property, their father's property. No, this is the property that their mother, even after leaving the marriage, was able to get, and then shared it amongst the three boys, the three men. And now the second son is saying that the first son does not have the right to inherit what their mother gave to him. I mean, is that not madness? And he still wants to go to appeal. Well, I'll do my job. I'll move the file. So let him still go there and then try his luck. I wish him the best. So some of us, I'm sure this attitude didn't start while he's an adult. It started while they were young, while they were younger. I'm sure that is when this type of attitude started. Feeling, oh, you're not my father's son, you're not my father's son. And if care is not taken, I think this particular attitude is what contributed to the failure of that marriage. I don't know what's really happened, but I'm just suspecting. Because for this boy, for this man now, to start claiming that this other man, the first son, is not their father's son, so he does not have the right to inherit their mother's property that the mother got while outside the marriage, is not tied to the marriage. So who gave him the right? What gave him the mind to begin to think that way? Well, this is just my opinion. I'm just expressing myself. So whatever happens in the court of appeal, well, I don't know. I just wish him all the best. So guys, let's learn how to treat people the way we would want others to treat us. This attitude, I don't think, is a welcome one at all. So guys, I will leave you with this. If you were this young man, will you behave same way? Or